Hello there, I'm Joy. Welcome to Bicol AccessHealth Centrum HMO Department. HMO or Health Maintenance Organization is a type of medical insurance plan that allows members to receive medical services from a certain network of doctors, hospitals, and facilities contracted with the organization. It is important to note that an HMO medical insurance plan requires that members to visit only the contracted providers as there is zero out-of-network coverage. AccessHealth is an accredited provider of more than 30 HMOs that offer a wide range of medical services for outpatient consultation, clinical laboratory and diagnostic procedures, emergency cases, and confinement. If you are an HMO member and planning to avail your HMO benefits with AccessHealth, here are some important reminders and all the information you need to ensure a smooth, seamless, and truly rewarding healthcare experience.
We strictly implement a no HMO card, no service policy. For procedures that requires fasting, like FBS, cholesterol, lipid profile, etc., kindly secure approval a day before the schedule to avoid overfasting. Your HMO card is non-transferable. Consultation approval is valid on the day only. Diagnostic procedures approval is valid within 3 days only. No approval, no performing of procedure. Self-request is not allowed. Take-home medicine is not coverable. Approved consultation or procedure is strictly not allowed to be used outside premises. Original request requires an HMO accredited doctor. If you proceed to online approval, present the printed letter of authorization. Emergency case reimbursement is valid within 24 hours only. We do not have accredited dental and dermatologist doctors. At HMO, our mission is to provide patients with good and quality services, to be faster, more flexible, and add more values to our patients. HMO office located at the main building, 2nd floor, opens from Monday to Saturday from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. For APE, PEME, ECU, and ACU, visit our PEME facility on the 3rd floor of Pedro Olivan Medical Arts Building from Monday to Saturday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Thank you for choosing AccessHealth HMO for your healthcare needs. We look forward to serving you with dedication and care. Bicol AccessHealth Centrum, your access to quality and lifelong health.